Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Swapping Orb in Archero 2. Alright, let's begin. The Swapping Orb in Archero 2 is a powerful item that lets you exchange one piece of any S-tier equipment within the same set. This feature is great for players looking to optimize their gear without relying solely on drops or grinding. To use it, go to the warehouse and select the S-rank gear swap option. Here you can trade a specific piece of equipment for another piece within the same set. Keep in mind that only gear of Mystic tier or higher is eligible for swapping. The orb cost depends on the gear rarity. Epic S tier costs 10 swapping orbs, Legendary gear costs 20, and Mythic gear costs 40. Weapon swaps usually require double the orb amount compared to other equipment. Once you reach the required stage and have the orbs, you can immediately start swapping to improve your loadout efficiently. This feature helps you fine-tune your strategy and maximize your character's potential in battles. So that's basically how you can use Swapping Orb in Archero 2. That's it for this video. Thanks!